Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I heard you, and I've tried to improve it, so stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. And thank you so much for everyone who wished me well as I suffered through a horrible day of allergies. Y'all, I didn't have allergies until recent years. But y'all, when a certain thing is in the air, I don't even know what it is, but it really does irritate me. It will eventually respond to some of the medicines that I take, but it just causes me so much discomfort. And yesterday my voice was so raspy and my eyes were so swollen, but today it's almost like nothing happened. So thank you to everyone who wished me well. Y'all, I frequently tell you to look in my Amazon store for links to certain things that I might be using on the channel. Well, I got some feedback from some of you that they didn't find the store that easy to navigate, that I had videos and other things in the way that really made it difficult to find what you might be looking for. Well, I spent some time trying to clean up the site, and I think I might have made it a little bit more user-friendly. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to pretend that you are totally new to YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to get to my Amazon storefront and how to navigate it. This will be a very quick video. So what I've done is I've brought up my YouTube page, and I am going to go to my latest video. And if you haven't had a chance to see it, I hope that you'll get a chance to go out there and give it a look. So when you're watching one of my videos, you might see me use something such as the finger blade, the reptile adhesive, my score and trim scoreboard, my mat here. You might be interested in those things. Well, here's how you find them. So anytime you hear me say, look in the description box, here is the description box. It appears underneath the title bar. So there's the video, there's the title bar here, and there is the description box right here. And in the description box, you're going to see the word more. And when you click on the word more, and you start scrolling down, sometimes it might appear over here, and sometimes it might appear underneath. So when you scroll down, you're going to see everything that I want you to know about my channel and certain things about my channel. But you're also going to see an area where I have listed a couple of things that I'm using a lot lately, and I just have those linked there. But then you'll see here, click here for more product links, and you can see from the URL, it's my Amazon store. But if you also click down, you'll see right here where it says, saw a product you liked in my video, and I say, including chipboard, glue, trimmer, etc. Click here. So if you click here, or you click here, you're going to be taken to my Amazon storefront. I'm going to go ahead and click that storefront. And before I did have a whole bunch of different things, I'm still tweaking and making it a little bit better. But I think it's going to be better for those of you who visit, because here is how it is broken down. So you can see right here, I have awesome paper crafting tools. This is generally a catch-all for almost everything that I offer in my Amazon storefront. So if you click here, you can see that I have my mat, my trimmer, the big old spatula, my glue gun, my crocodile, finger blade with blades, the 5-in-1 tool, the Xyron, and you just keep scrolling. And I have almost everything in this general area that I use on the channel. So when you are looking for something that you see me using, please make sure that you come out to my storefront. You can start here because it's generally going to be here, but if it isn't, we're going to go back. And let's just say that you want to know something about the lights I'm using in my studio. Well, if you click here, it's going to show you a style of cabinet that I'm using. I typically use the IKEA Calyx, but I do have one Better Homes and Garden version, so I did add that link. But you can see the lights that I use. You can see some of the overhead lights that I use, some of the mounts that I use, and you can also see what I use to house my iPad when I'm using it in my paper crafting. So I have tried to make it as user-friendly as possible to go through. If you're looking for stickers, there is a whole sticker tab that's going to have not only the stickers, but it will have the sticker labels that I'm using, a link to the Xyron Creatopia sticker cartridge. Those aren't always in stock, but I can tell you there have been days when I've looked out there and there have been a few, and then I'll look out there again and you guys have grabbed them. So you just have to keep checking on Amazon if you're looking for that. But you can see all of these sticker options. What kind of tape are you using? Where do you get that 2-inch wide tape? Y'all, here it is. So when you're looking for the tapes that I'm using, here you go. This one is called Paper and Adhesives. So I have my tapes listed here. I have my chipboard. I have my glue bottles. I have file folders. I have so many different things listed here. Even some of the plastic baggies that I use, some of the shred that I use. If you're looking for paper and adhesive, whether it's wallpaper, make sure that you're checking under paper and adhesives. So when you want to know where do you get that 2-inch tape, just come to the paper and adhesive tab. Now I'm not going to go through all of these one by one because I think that you get the gist of it, but the last one that I'm going to show you will be the metals and magnets tab. So these are the metals and the magnets that I use. They're not always going to be in stock, but when they are in stock, this is actually what I purchase. So anytime that you're out here and you see something is out of stock, I don't have an alternative link for it, but you can do some searching in Amazon and you can probably find some comparables. I do try to keep it up to date, but things do frequently go out of stock, especially when I use them on the channel and there's a large interest in them, then they tend to go out of stock quickly, or the prices tend to raise a little bit more quickly than normal. But as you can see, I've tried to make it as user-friendly as possible so you don't have to wade through the waters to find the mat that I'm using. Always start right here with awesome paper crafting tools. If you don't see it right here, then go ahead and search for the applicable button here. And if I do have a link, y'all, I don't always have links to things that I'm showing on the channel, but if I do have an Amazon link, you are going to find it here. If you don't find it here, then that means that I don't have a link for it. So I thought I'd do this reintroduction to my Amazon storefront and show you just how simple it is now to navigate. I hope that this helps everyone who's looking for some of the items that I use on the channel, some of the items for which I do have links. So in a nutshell, this is my Amazon storefront. Whenever I get a question asking, where can I find this or that, I will now be linking this video. So if you see this video linked to your question, please don't take offense to it. I'm just either reintroducing you or introducing you for the first time to my Amazon store. So I hope that you have found this video helpful. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. Y'all, we are doing some really fun things on the channel, fun and innovative things on the channel, and I want you to be a part of it. So if you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. As always, my friends, y'all, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.